Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all your Facebook posts at once. Let's see how to do that. First go to facebook.com. Then from the left side you'll see there is a profile picture of yours with profile name. Click there to go to your profile. This is your profile where you will find three dot option. Click there. Now go to activity log. From the left menu, select your post. Now all your posts will be shown here. Select all. Now if you want to delete all your posts, select recycle bin. Now all your posts will be moved to recycle bin and remove from your profile. Select move to trash. See, it will may take some time to process all of your changes. It will take some time. After that, all your posts will be removed from your profile. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.